I want to talk about this picture. Behind the story of this particular picture, Srimati Indira Gandhi, then Prime Minister of India, she visited Bangalore for Mahila Convention. That time, the organizer were, the main organizing person was the lady, I forgot her name. Okay, so I went to cover this function, but I didn't have a proper ID. Thing is, they given me a pass, big pass, and I was in. I went and I saw Prime Minister because that's the first Prime Minister picture of I am going to cover. I was thrilled. Previous night I could not sleep because it's such a opportunity to get a Prime Minister, the two first Prime Minister picture. So when she came, she took salute for that flag. Then she went inside the venue. I too went inside. I followed the crowd. I am the junior most photographer there. There are a lot of senior photographers. Something strange happened there. One of the senior photographer went to a police officer, pointed his finger and told something. And the police officer came rushing to me and then asked for identity. So I had this organizer pass. I didn't have an accreditation pass. They asked for accreditation pass, but I didn't. So they threw me out. He held my collar and pulled me out and threw me out. I fell outside and then I was fuming. But something controlled me. Gopi, wait. It's all happened for something good. So wait patiently. So I held my ground, waiting for something to happen. After finishing her speech, she came out and all the crowd started rushing towards her, want to touch her. She sinking herself and running away from the crowd. The exclusive picture I got, and only I got, just because I have been thrown out of the venue. Otherwise, I wouldn't have got this picture. One picture. Those days are film cameras, no? One wind, click. That's it. You won't get more than that. So next minute I was pushed and then I completely lost control. By the time madam gone out. So the one picture, that exclusive picture, the most remembered picture in my life is this one. It appeared full page in my newspaper and they gave a caption called PM Honor Hill. That's the headline which was given for that picture. But unfortunately, after this picture, this is my first picture and last picture of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. She was assassinated in 2 months' time. She was assassinated. I was told that the assassin of Indira Gandhi was also present in this God's group. But those days I am very young. I am raw to this field. I didn't know. But they went to the agencies and got some picture to check that assassin was there or not. I was told one Mr. Gandhi Singh or some Singh was present in this group. He is one among the assassins, it seems. It's a sad news that I have to give a picture of another picture for the cover page, that she is taking salute to the flag, national flag. That picture was used 2 months after.